Good day guys, and welcome to another video. So here I am at the little hidden secret cove in Discovery Bay. We're bringing Seleena and son. This is the first time they're seeing this spot. Imagine that, and I've been here so many times. So we're just taking in the vibes, and today is the big one. We're taking her to Ocho Rios to do Dunn's River. We're very excited about it. Alright, Seleena and son, what do you all think of this little cove?
Oh, so pretty!
It's pretty.
It's nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I always like to come and show people this thing, man. And it's a hidden thing, and nobody really know about this thing.
Real hard not to jump in.
Yes, I want to jump in too. Take the water. So the cove is right there, and we're just on the edge into the open ocean. But look at that. The cove is pretty, but look at that blue water, and that's open ocean. Imagine that. So here we are in Dunn's River. It's early. It's like 10:15, which is early for Dunn's River, and it is almost empty, which is good. That's the whole plan. You know, get the waterfalls almost to ourselves. You know, being weekend, it's going to have a lot of people in Dunn's River. So we're very excited. Son hasn't been here in years, so we're ready to go and enjoy what a lot of people consider to be the ultimate waterfall in Jamaica, Dunn's. All right, you guys ready for Dunn's River? Dunn's River cat. You got to come and climb the falls with me. Alright, Seleena, this is the top. This is where you actually come out. You didn't actually see the big one yet. What do you think so far?
Pretty! It's
As
so
I said,
pretty, yeah.
let's go and see more. Yeah. We're here in Dunn's River, we're at the top. It has this little area that it used to have a lookout, but you know that keep replacing it. But it's kind of open now, and we can come and get a nice close look at the waterfall. Look at that behind us. Beautiful. They can't get enough of it down there. They're just taking as much pictures as they could. Dunn's River, it's famous, I always say it's famous for a reason. So here we are by the big one. Check that out. It's just magnificent. Somebody just fell, but it is. Look at that. Woo! Can't get enough of it. Seleena, the famous dance.
Wow, so pretty.
Yeah. Yeah. Randy, next thing I demand to attack me. So there's the beach. A city lifeguard on started watch here. So although the ocean and the beach here is very, very nice, we rarely come to go to the waterfall. So we're heading in. Get them to breathe. You feeling it? Careful! Come on to that position! Stop! Careful! I get a military heart attack yourself. First thing in the vlog, before my name pop up, you can see crap. Yeah. You alright? Carnival. You alright, boss? You hit your knee? Come this way. I can hardly see. You alright? It's the other. Let me see you climb up. Ready to what? Hey! I'm gonna fall off. Yeah, it's true, too. I like the wildness. Nice. Have minerals in it. come here, ready, Manny?
Yeah.
Next time, what the car come back down? Yeah, not so slippery. As soon as I say. Alright, so we did the waterfall. How was it, Seleena?
Really good.
It was really good, right?
Really good, yeah.
She was telling me she feel like she was in a movie.
Yeah.
It don't seem real, but yeah, that is how nice the Dunn River is.
It's majestic.
Very. Whew, but we're a bit tired. We say we're going to do 2 or 3 rounds. Everybody tired. So after all that climbing, we're pretty hungry. So we're going to go down in Ochi and try to get something to eat. Alright, so we got something to eat in Ochi, and now on our way back we're just going to take a drive through Fern Gully. So Seleena will see this interesting piece of road called Fern Gully. So we just passed through Fern Gully. What did you thought of that, Seleena?
Pretty, really
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Guess what? We have to turn and pass it back through again. Drove through Fern Gully and now we're heading down. We're about in St. Anne's Bay. Those guys are tired. See, Barney's sleeping already. So we're just heading back down the road now. Anyway, it was a good day. I hope everyone enjoyed seeing the video. Don't worry, no matter what you see in the video, we are okay. Alright? There she is. Yeah. So we're just heading back down the road now. As always, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.